Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday, ate. God bless you po. Magluto kayo ng spaghetti.
Okay.
Tsaka chicken. Chicken! Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Ted. More blessings to come, tsaka more years to come, and God bless you. I love you, ate.
Yeah, I love you, Sir Juan. I love you, ate.
I love you, ate.
Okay.
Oh, kanta muna, Jonah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ate Dindin. Happy birthday. Ang masasabi ko lang, di ba gusto mo yung 18 verses? Ito yung verse, one of the 18 verses. Obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Natatawa si Papa. Sige na, sige na.
Bawal mag-girlfriend, sabi ni Mama. Go! Na!
Happy birthday, anak. Happy birthday nga.
Tingin sa camera.
Titingin na nga. Ay, happy birthday. Basta tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Mahirap kasi yung hindi ka nakapagtapos. Plano talaga ng Diyos sa'yo ay maging successful ka sa lahat ng area. Kami naman ay susuporta sa'yo. Basta tapusin mo lang yung pag-aaral mo at saka mag-serve ka sa Panginoon. Serve the Lord. Maglalaba pa ako. So, yun lang. Maging masunurin ka na. Kahit hindi ka na mabait, basta masunurin ka lang. Lagi you should obey your parents. At gusto ko sanang maging doktor ka eh. Yun na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.